My friends, in today's gospel, we see two beautiful attitudes of Jesus. And the first attitude is the attitude of concern. If you have heard this week's gospel, we have seen how Jesus called, sent, and gave the power to his disciples. He called the apostles, he sent the apostles into the mission, and he gave them power, the power to heal, the power to listen. And today, the apostles are coming back from their missionary journey. And Jesus is not asking them, tell me, how was your missionary journey? Tell me, how was your preaching? Was it effective? He doesn't ask those questions. Tell me, how many people did you heal? Yes, he does not ask these questions, but rather he tells them, come away by yourself to a lonely place and rest a while. My friend, Jesus is teaching us a valuable lesson. He is rejoicing. Mind you, Jesus is rejoicing, seeing his disciples coming back. He is happy to see the wonders of their preaching, but he does not give any compliments. He does not give them any compliments, but rather tells them to rest. He shows concern for them because he knows that they are tired. They are physically and interiorly, they are tired. And why does Jesus tell them to rest? He does not want them. He doesn't want his disciples to brag about. He doesn't want his disciples to boast about their achievement or success of their missionary journey. So he wants them to rest, to reflect, and to contemplate on the experiences they have encountered. He wants them to enjoy the experiences. He wants them to reflect and contemplate. And today, being the weekend, Jesus extends the same invitation to us. Jesus is telling us, rest, reflect, and contemplate. Contemplate on what? About the past week. How was the past week? What are the good things that I have learned? What are the bad things that I have learned? Or how can I improve myself? These are the questions that we need to reflect. So friends, let us unplug ourselves. Unplug ourselves from our busy agendas, from the busy schedules. Take a break. Switch off your mobiles. Contemplate nature and tune yourself to dialogue with God. And the second attitude of Jesus that we see in today's gospel is the attitude of compassion. As we have heard in today's gospel, although Jesus told his disciples, go to a lonely place and rest, but they was unable to rest because the crowd were flogging from all the four directions. And looking at the crowd, Jesus moved with compassion. How many times we have seen in the Bible or perhaps in the gospel that Jesus is moved with compassion? And Jesus was able to move with compassion because his heart was attuned with God. Compassion is born from contemplation. So Jesus invites us, take rest, contemplate, and show compassion. So let us take advantage of this weekend and spend our time in prayer, silence, and contemplation. Amen.